Constipation has become a major problem these days. Guruma, we cannot discharge stool in the morning. We feel pain in stomach. We are not able to clean our bowel in the morning. What to do? Namaste, Hari Om. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. Today we are going to talk about the solution to the problem of constipation. It is not okay to not go for stool discharge for 5 days, for 3 days. If you're eating every day, it's very, very important that every single day our bowel should be absolutely clear early in the morning. Now, how do we deal with this problem of constipation, which is not just a problem? We sometimes feel that, oh, it's just one problem, constipation. No, constipation is the mother to several other problems. Constipation is a cause, a reason to almost all of your diseases because there is a sutra in Sanskrit which says Sarva Rog Malashrayah. Reason behind all your diseases is the body waste. And how do we get rid of this body waste? Through clearing our bowel every single day early in the morning. So without talking much, let's understand 5 very simple ways along with 4 very important yoga practices which you need to do every day, but you also have to intake of something is important before these practices. What is that something? That we are going to understand at the end of this video, so don't forget to watch this video till end. Very first thing that you must include in your daily life is calculating your fluids intake, especially your water intake. Make sure that you are taking ample water. Make sure that you are taking 3 to 4 liters of water every single day if you want to bid a farewell to the problem of constipation. Second thing is we need to add fibers in our diet. When I say fiber, we follow a rule at Bharat Yoga. Before 5 p.m. or before 6 p.m., you have to eat 2 things. One is 1 bowl of fresh fruits. It's very important that we eat 1 bowl of fresh and seasonal fruits. And second is 1 bowl of vegetables. But make sure that these vegetables are not cooked. Then what? Either raw in form of salad or steamed or sauté vegetables, but not overcooked or cooked vegetables. Third and very important thing, you need to understand it properly with patience before going to bed. Before going to bed, make sure that you take 1 glass of milk, cow's milk that you drink every single day. Take this milk, 1 glass of milk, and add 2 anjeer, fig, and 4 munakka. Now, munakka are raisins, but raisins with seed. So there are 2 kinds of raisins. One is without seed, one is with seed. So we have to take raisins with seed. So 2 anjeer and 4 munakka, 2 fig and 4 seed raisins, and boil these fig and raisins in 1 glass of milk. Once let it cool down after boiling, not very cold, but it should be a little warm. Eat these fig and raisins and drink this milk. Do it for 15 days, and just after starting it, within 1 or 2 days, you will see a clear bowel movement in the morning. But then there are few people who suffer from diabetes. In that case, you can't take fig, right? So in that case, we have the next solution, which is in a glass of milk, warm or hot milk, add 1 spoon of almond oil, edible almond oil. Just mix it well and drink it. You can also do it for next 15 days and you will see a good bowel movement in the morning within 2-3 days of starting this. Now we come to the last thing, which is very, very important, and that is early in the morning. This is something which you have to do for the whole day, but then in the morning, make sure that you start your day by drinking what? Let's understand. Take a copper bottle. So you can just look at a picture here on this side. Now this picture is of a copper lota bottle. Now when you have a flat surface, water kept in a flat surface bottle has a different benefit, and when we have it in a form of lota, it has different benefits. Maybe I'll make a separate video on these benefits, but right now you can get this bottle from a website which is written here, www.apsattire.com. So you can order this. Otherwise, if you don't have this, you can just take any copper vessel which might be available, but make sure it's pure and fill it with water. Keep it overnight. Where to keep it? Make sure you're not keeping it on straight away to ground or a metal surface. It must be kept on a wooden surface. So keep it on a wooden surface. Early in the morning, take this water, warm it a little, not very hot, just warm it a little, and drink 2 glasses of water. If you do not have a copper bottle, water kept in copper bottle becomes medicine. So it's amazing. But if you do not have it, you can keep it in a steel bottle, glass bottle, but make sure you're not using aluminium or you're not using plastic to store water overnight. So we drink this 2 glasses of this water, and just after drinking 2 glasses of this water, we have to practice 4 yoga abhyas. So let's understand what are these 4 yoga abhyas, and we have to practice it in the same sequence as shown in the video. So after drinking 2 glasses of water, the first practice that we will be doing is just stand straight, and while inhaling, lift up your hands. While exhaling, bend towards your right side. Inhaling, come back. Exhaling, bend towards your left side. Inhaling, come back. This is Mrinal Asana, and we can practice it 10 times. So 10 repetitions. And then just open your legs, join your hands and relax. Second is Skandha Asana. After completing Mrinal Asana, for Skandha Asana, feet together, spread your arms in such a way that palms facing towards each other. While exhaling, twist from your right side, inhale and back. While exhaling, twist from your left side, inhale and back. This also we can repeat for 10 times, and then join your hands, spread your legs, relax your entire body after 10 repetitions. So third practice is we lie down on our abdomen and practice Tiryak Bhujang Asana. For Tiryak Bhujang Asana, feet together just like tail of a snake. Place your palms on the floor under your shoulders, and then while inhaling, lift up your face and your stomach. Your back is going to be straight. Do not bend backward as I did just now. So just keep your spine straight. Then while exhaling, twist from your right side. Try to look at your left heel. Then while exhaling, twist from your left side. Try to look at your right heel. So exhaling, twist, inhaling, come back. After repeating it for 10 times, bring your body back. Make pillow of your arms, spread your legs and relax your entire body. Now, after completing 10 rounds, last practice that we will be doing is Shankhasana. Shankh means intestines. So Shankhasana cleanses your intestines. For Shankhasana, just sit in squatting position, as you can see me sitting in squatting position, and then place your palms on your knees. Now, while exhaling, look at it carefully what we have to do. While exhaling, touch your left knee to right toe and twist towards your right side. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, touch your right knee to left toe, twist towards your left side, and then inhaling, come back. Just look at it. I'm doing once again. Exhale, twist, inhale, back. Exhale, twist, inhale, back. We have to repeat this also 10 times, and then spread your legs. Place your palms on the floor, relax your neck, relax your body. Okay, so these were 4 practices we have to do after drinking water. So let's do a quick recap. First point was take ample water, 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Second is make sure that you have fiber, one bowl of fruits, one bowl of vegetables during your day. Third is milk with fig and seeded raisins. And fourth is milk with almond oil. Fifth was to take this water, 2 glasses of water in the morning, and then practice these 4 yoga abhyas which you recently learned. So if you follow these 5 very simple steps for 15 days, you will definitely be bidding a farewell to the problem of constipation, which means you will be welcoming health in abundance. So what are you waiting for? Start from today. If you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send us your questions and queries, and we will come up with a solution to that. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om. Namaste.